Here I have XIAOMI Pad 5, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately forget it and can't even unlock your tablet now. So what can you do in such a miserable situation? So firstly you have to hold down power key in order to turn your tablet off, and after it turns off completely, hold down power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see Xiaomi logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Then you will end up in this kind of menu. Here in this menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data, then wipe all data, confirm, and after a few seconds all data will be wiped. Then you select back to main menu and reboot to system, and then your tablet will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.